Hello kids, today we learn about house. We see step by step. First we do one horizontal line. Okay, then we draw one vertical line. Make one rectangle. Okay, then one square. It is become bigger than rectangle. Okay, do here one dot. Join this line and this line. Okay, then small rectangle like this. Join this one. Okay, then draw one round, small round like this, and small rectangle. Okay, then small this one like this. Okay, our house is ready. Then we draw one tree nearby house like this and okay. Then we draw leaf like this. Okay. Then we draw sun, small one round. Okay. Then sun have eyes and mouth and sun rays like this. How is that?
Oh my
Okay.
gosh!
Then some birds in here like this. Wow, our drawing is ready. Now we going to coloring. First color is green. Hey, for tree. Wow, our tree is finished. Now sun color. The sun is yellow. Wow. Now our house roof is red color. Now another color blue. Our house door and window color orange. House is ready. Thank you, friends, watching.
Thank you.
Kindly subscribe me and like this video and share your friends. Thank you.